Peace and blessings, Queens Life Beauties. It is officially holiday season, and I wanted to switch up my hair a little bit and add some length to my microlocs. I'm going to be using 1 pack of twist hair to install some jumbo size twists. The hair is 16 inches and I cut it in half. I'll be leaving the link to the hair I'm using in the description. This is going to be simple and quick. All I'm doing is taking large sections of my microlocs and splitting them in half and twisting on the twist hair. If you'd like to see how I came up with this hairstyle, continue watching. And right here, I just took more of the twist hair and twisted it in to get the desired length. Show you guys that I have the back of my head to finish, and I only have 1 bundle of the hair left, so I'm just gonna cut that in half and finish the rest of my head off camera. I'm finished twisting up my whole head, so all I'm going to do now is put some rods on the ends and dip them in hot water. Just gonna do a little updo style, pin it up to the front. Don't want it to be too tight. We got that there. And it feels really secure. I'm gonna take one more pin and just stick it in right here. I think that's cute. I'm just gonna add some little accent beads, and these were the beauty supply. Be careful with these scissors. I do not want to cut myself. Guys, I think it came out really good. A nice little updo style, you know, something really simple and cute. It took me, I would say it took me all in all like 3 hours to do, you guys, so it wasn't that time consuming at all. And this is the hair that I used. I just wanted to show you guys if you were looking or wanted to try something similar. It's the Springy Afro twist 16-inch hair, and I did cut it in half, so yeah. Alright you guys, I will talk to you in my next one. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and watching me try out this new style that I've never done before on my Microlocs. You guys be safe, have a blessed week ahead. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Alright you guys, I will talk to you soon. Peace. This has been a Queen's Life Beauty production.